If you've ever edited a video, you know how powerful music can be and how many hours the whole process can eat up. That's why today I'm going to show you Ace Studio with its brand new Video Composer feature, a tool that not only speeds up your workflow but takes your videos to a whole new level. Alright, let's get started. To create a new project, all we need to do is add a video. We can simply drag it onto the canvas, also known as the timeline. Ace Studio automatically places it on the video track and opens both the video preview and the Video Composer AI agent panel. We can turn the preview on or off at any moment by clicking Close Monitor. And if we want it back, just double-click the video. Next to the clip, we can mute the original audio or detach it completely using the Detach Audio option from the right-click menu. On the right side, we have the most important window, Video Composer. This is where all the magic happens. Video Composer generates music and sound effects tailored to your footage and then places everything on the timeline, giving you full control over the edit. We've got two main options, Generate Music or Generate SFX. You can create audio for the entire video or just for a selected portion, and the panel clearly shows which part you're generating for. I'll start by generating music for the whole video. All we need to do is describe the vibe we want. Type in a prompt, retro cinematic soundtrack for a 2D pixel art game, and hit generate. The AI agent analyzes the video scene by scene, and just like that, it creates editable music and places it directly on the timeline. Let's check if it fits our footage. And remember, this entire soundtrack was created from one short prompt. You can always generate more versions and pick the one that fits best. That's a great start, but let's add some sound effects. We go back to the AI agent and type Generate sound effects for the entire clip. The agent creates the effects one by one, not as a single audio file, but as separate clips placed exactly where they should appear. Let's take a look. And now the big question, how long would it take to do all of this manually? The answer is simple, a lot. Of course, we can edit every sound. If something is too loud, just double-click the clip and adjust the volume. We can move audio elements around the timeline, decide exactly when they start and end. For example, I have a digging sound here, but I'd like it to start a little later. We can simply drag it to this spot. If the sound is still too short, we can duplicate it. Now the sound lasts a bit too long, so we can trim it to the right moment. We also have smooth transitions, fade in and fade out. Just drag the fade handles and the sound will gently appear or disappear instead of cutting in abruptly. This works great for scene transitions or when you want a more natural feel. Now I want to add an additional sound effect, so I select the part I'm interested in. I go to Video Composer and I can type in the effect I want to achieve. In my case, it will be a wind sound in the background. Let's check if it fits our footage. Pressing M opens the audio control options. Here we can mute an entire track or listen to it solo. And if we want to silence just one clip without deleting it, we press 0. The clip stays on the timeline, but it won't play. If we want to bring back the wind sound, we simply press 0 again. And that's how we can build our entire video, adding music, sound effects, and having full control over every element. Video Composer requires a subscription, but if you work with video regularly, it can dramatically speed up your workflow. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. See you next time.